Okay, these are rosemary, basil, strawberries and blackberries soaps with gentle propolis and no conservatives and no toxic. It's my wonderful job. This is a whole milk, goat's milk. And this, oops, these are some more of them. And this is a vegetable that scrubs you. And it's very gentle and it's very good. It's good for taking the dead cells.